Introducing Zuper Hex Cera wear liner from IMCO. Zuper Hex Cera is engineered with a metal matrix ceramic composite designed to handle severe impact and abrasion. With a hardness of 900 to 1100 HV, its compact size and light weight make it easy to install and replace, significantly reducing downtime and maintenance costs. With a flexural strength of 220 to 240 megapascals and compressive strength up to 1950 megapascals. Zuper Hex Cera is built for impact areas ranging from 1.5 to 2 meters or more, making it ideal for both wet and dry applications. This wear liner is extremely durable, reducing energy usage while efficiently protecting your equipment from wear. Zuper Hex Cera is the perfect choice for minimizing work and maintenance expenses.
IMCO Total Wear Solutions.